The old Withings was known for following the hybrid trend of the smartwatches, who decided to change the most advanced functions to have a better look, and the latest Withings watch, the Steel HR Sport, is no exception. Its design does not change much compared to the previous Withings, except for some slight differences, and that is precisely a point in its favor. If you're tired of that Fitbit look, and do not want to spend $400 on the latest Apple Watch, you're still interested, the Steel HR Sport fulfills its role as a sports bracelet, and also with a touch of subtlety and style. At first glance, everything in the new Withings line looks more or less the same. The three watches have an analog face, they can follow your steps and various types of activities, and each one can control your sleep habits without having to run to charge your battery. But that's where the similarities end, because as wearables have advanced in recent years, they have made the limited features of the two cheaper Withings watches a bit obsolete. If you want notifications on your wrist, and if you need to monitor your heart rate throughout the day, then the most basic $130 steel model is not what you're looking for. And if it is very important for you to follow up on your bracelet when you go out for a run or other activities, the Steel HR $180 will not seem enough either. This only leaves us with the new and slightly more expensive Steel HR Sport $200, which you can now synchronize with your phone to have GPS and calculate your physical level through VO2 Max. Not that they are very innovative features, but they complete the Steel HR Sport enough to be able to recommend their purchase.